Namaskar. Welcome to our another new session. Today, I will explain the Guru Vandana, the prayer of Guru. Guru Brahma, the creator of you. Guru Vishnu, who nurtured you. Guru Deva Maheshwara, the Lord of Lords, the destroyer of evil within you. Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Guru is the Almighty, the one within you. So here, today, we will feel the Guru Vandana and we will practice it. First we will learn it and we will end with Tashmai Sri Gurave Namah. So now we will learn how to perform it. The choreography may vary from person to person, from teacher to teacher. Let's start. In the first line, maybe there is an alap or a music, introducing music. So, in introducing music, we can do a pranam. Okay, if we have an introducing music. And after that, the first line is Guru Brahma. In Guru Brahma, we will do Guru Brahma. Okay, just you are like writing something. Guru Vishnu. In Guru Vishnu, you can show the sleeping posture or the Yoga Mudra posture of Sri Vishnu and the Sudarshan Chakra. So after Guru Brahma, we will do Guru Vishnu, or you can do both Guru Vishnu. This is the Sudarshan Chakra. You can do it with your right hand also. So we can do Guru Vishnu. Then Guru Deva Maheshwara, the Nataraj posture. Then Guru Sakshat Param Brahma. After this posture, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma. Keep your hand in front of your navel position, navel area. Param Brahma. Tashmai Sri Gurave Namaha. After that, Tashmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Just you are offering some flower to the lotus feet of your Guru. Now we will do the whole thing with the music.
तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः
Hope you liked today's class. We'll meet you on next Sunday with a new lesson. Till then, thank you. Goodbye. Happy dancing. Namaskar.